everybody, Master G here with Mr. Durantis. Let's work on learning our back of wrist attack or Song Dong Mak.
Song Dong Mak, sir.
This is a very advanced technique with proper conditioning. It's really strong and really fun to do, but it is very old and very advanced. So it is the mantis strike or the back of the wrist. So what you're going to do is you're going to first make a really tight hand. You're focusing on hitting with this part of the hand. I know that feels really weird. The strike can come up or the strike can come forward depending on how you do it. So we will do one forward and one up on each side. Starting with forward, he's going to step into that stance and he's going to push out. Height!
Height.
Good. Height! Height. Good. And now the same thing, but going in an upward motion, forward attacking underneath the arms or whatnot. Height! Height. And reset. Height! Height. Opposite side. Ready. Height! Height. Height! Height! And upwards. Height! 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 Good, let's see it on the target. Sideways. Height! Height! Good. And now upward. Height! Height! Good. So if you really want to connect with your really old, ancient karate roots, practice your Song Dong Mak or the back of your wrist attack. So that is our song. Oh, that is our back of wrist strike or Song Dong Mak. If you really want to connect with your ancient karate roots, practice this a lot and make it rock.